In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called battery. Now use this switcher next to performance mode to activate it. And wait a few seconds. When your switcher turns blue, you will see this icon at the top right corner of your search bar. That means that high performance is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!